Hello everyone, this is Vipin here. Welcome back to my channel. In this video, I'm going to solve a numerical based on double G tube manometer. So this is the diagram which is given to us. So there are two tubes in this. This is first, this is second. So in this, what we have to find out is the pressure difference between these 2 points. So one limb of this U tube manometer is connected to this pipe. One limb is connected to this pipe. Okay. So what we have to find out is PM minus PN. So how to approach this? So you can see here in case of double tube manometers there are two datums. So let's say this is datum 1 which is YY you can see, and this is datum 2 which is XX. So we'll start from this side and we'll come to this side. So let's say this is point 1, this is point 2, this is point 3, this is point 4, and this is point 5, and this is point 6. So when we talk about the pressures on this datum, so on datum YY, pressure 1 is equal to pressure 2. Okay, because both are on the same datum. If we talk about pressure 3, which is P3, so that is equal to P2 minus pressure because of this pressure head, which is 12 centimeters. Okay, and this is basically the fluid which is like flowing in inside the pipe. So density is having specific gravity is this, so it is zero point 0.8 into 9810 into this height, which is 12 centimeters. So in meters it is 0.12. So this is the equation, let's say 1, which is having a relation between P3 and P2, and we also know that P3 and P4 are also same. So I can say that this is also the equation for P4. Okay, so P4 and P3 are same. Now if we talk about the relationship between P4 and P5, so P5 is basically equal to, or simply we can say P4 is equal to, we can say P4 is equal to P5 minus this head. Okay, so this head is 16 centimeter. So liquid is here mercury, so 13.6 into 9810 into 16 centimeter, which is 0.16. So that is the relation between P4 and P5. So let's say this is equation number 2. Now if we talk about this, so on the second datum XX, P5 is equal to P6. And what is P6? uh, how it is related to PM? So it is related to PM as PM plus uh, pressure because of this head. So this total head is 36 centimeter, and the density or the specific gravity of liquid is zero point 0.8. So 0.8 into 9810 into 0.36. Okay, so this is the relationship. Let's say this is equation number 3. Now what we can do, we can write that P4 is equal to PM plus 0.8 into 9810 into 0.36 minus this. Okay, so 13.69810 into 0.16. So that is P4 and PM relationship. Now if we equate this with this, because P4 is also equal to P3, okay, and P3 is related to P2, so we can say that this P4 also is equal to P2 minus zero point 0.8 into 9810 into 0.12, whereas P2 is what? P2. So P2 is basically Pn plus pressure head because of this liquid, which is zero point 0.8 into height is 15 centimeter. So 9810 into 0.15 plus this is also 15 centimeter for the mercury. So 13.6 into 9810 into 0.15. Okay, so from here we can put the value and of P2 into this, and this will give us the relation of PM and PN. Okay, so I can simply say that PM plus zero point 0.8 into 9810 into 0.36 minus 13.6 into 9810 into 0.16. Okay, so this is equal to uh, Pn plus 0.8 into 9810 into 0.15 plus 13.6 into 9810 into 0.15 minus this. Okay, so minus 0.8 into 9810 into 0.12. Okay, so after this you can simply reduce this to Pm minus Pn and your answer will be obtained. Okay, so this is how we have to find out the difference between these two pipes. So remaining calculation you can do, and you can let me know your answer in the comment section. If you liked this video, please share this video with your friends, and if you are new to my channel, please subscribe also. Thank you and take care.